Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm participating in an open collaboration to celebrate the Queen Anna milestone for her YouTube channel. The channel name is The Grace Life DIY Home Decor. It's very important guys to celebrate our achievement in life. And it's super important as well to help celebrate others. So today's it's her day. She's celebrating her milestone and I'm so happy to be part of it. I'm going to leave the link of the host and the co-host in the description box down below. Once again, congratulations to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay guys, let's start the work and keep on watching. In today's video, I'm going to use blue, white, gold, and silver. And I love to make my own floral arrangement. Give me the option to change it anytime I feel like it. The ginger jar from Home Goods and the flowers from Amazon. The candle holders from the thrift store. I always take some time to welcome everyone that's new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you and keep on watching. Placement from Amazon, guys, I love this placement. I think I bought it for $10. It was one of the best $10 because I use this every time. The charger also from Amazon and the napkin rings are included. I'm going to leave the link of everything that I use in the description box down below guys, you can check them out. Be my fire, take my hand. You wanna stay in the promised land where all blue flower plates from the Dollar Tree. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, comment nous y est? Bienvenue sur Channel Moyen. Si nous la première fois, moi c'est tout bienvenue. S'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager. Si c'est pas la première fois ou là, moi tout merci un pile pour support. Moi qui un peu monde qui toujours a dit que pour moi faire vidéo en créole. Moi tendez nous et puis m'a travail pour nous. Make sure pour nous abonner et puis cliquer cloche là 2 fois pour le moins commencer avec vidéo en créole pour nous connaître. Moi remercie nous en pile. Et puis continue à regarder les vidéos. I wanted to use a really simple napkin folding. As you can see guys, I like this style whenever I'm using any soup bowl in my table decor. I'm going to use blue silverware. I know with the gold napkin, the look will be fabulous. I really love to play with my colors. Let me know in the comment down below what do you think guys. This is the finished look guys. Let me know what do you think. Please comment down below. As you can see the inside of my table, I always do something different. I use the blue napkin and gold silverware. Guys, don't forget to smash me with some thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you so much. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Et à tous mes abonnés, un grand merci pour votre support. Je vous aime tant. N'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire. Ça me fait un grand plaisir. I want to say to all my viewers, my subscribers, thank you so much for your love and your support. And I'm truly grateful for all of you guys. Thank you so much for taking your time watching my video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!